news and it flies apart and rearranges like a spider on the wall. I get around. Oh man, I'd love to see you in my hometown, just walking up my street with your cadence that's unique, overshadow innocence with knowledge, the kind you don't pick up at college. All my rhyme schemes don't work sometimes, but you're talking poetry, and you know that moves me. I'm so far down some poet's highway, and I'm missing you, and I hope you're missing me too. Well, boyish charm, it don't cut it no more. I got the devil knocking on my front door. I got a pregnant mind, and I'm in labor. Maybe a breach, don't you do me no favors. There's a thought in there for you, and if you don't know what to do, send your box tops in care of me. And if you come to the gig, well, I'll let you in free. All my rhyme schemes don't work sometimes, but you're talking poetry, and you know that moves me. I'm so far down some poet's highway, and I'm missing you, and I hope you're missing me too. Climbing up and down a busted ladder. It's broken and insane, but I'm madder. I've been through the valley of the shadow of death. I got to the other side only to find another test, but I'll bet you passed it too. If not, I'll help you through. Coffee and cigarettes, let's talk shop. We don't need emotional traffic cops. All my rhyme schemes don't work sometimes, but you're talking poetry, and you know that moves me. I'm so far down some poet's highway, and I'm missing you, and I hope you're missing me too. 'Cause all my rhyme schemes don't work sometimes, but you're talking poetry, and you know that moves me. I'm so far down some poet's highway, and I'm missing you, and I hope you're missing me too. 'Cause all my rhyme schemes don't work sometimes, but you're talking poetry, and you know that moves me. I'm so far down some poet's highway, and I'm missing you, and I hope you're missing me too.
1, 2, 3, 4. I'm a lazy guy. I'm amazed at the way some people try to erect and then perfect some kind of proof that they're alive before they die. Well, not me, 'cause I'm a lazy guy. And I'm amazed at the way some people holler, fuss, and run around like some chicken with their head cut off or bullets from a gun. They said I'll sit back, relax, and maybe try to have some fun and help them try. But I'm a lazy guy, and I must defer a life of labor to someone who needs it more. I'd much prefer to be their neighbor, just the guy that lives next door. Sit out on the porch of my craft guitar, my mason jar of tea, and you know why? 'Cause I'm a lazy guy. I'm a lazy guy. I'm amazed at the way some people try to erect and then perfect some kind of proof that they're alive before they die. Well, not me.
flirt like you're the saint in this relationship. Me just some jerk. Darling, don't you know relationships take work? Won't you try? 'Cause I'm a lazy guy.
I'm a lazy guy. I'm amazed at the way some people try and try and try to erect and then perfect some kind of proof that they're alive before they die. Well, not me, 'cause I'm a lazy guy. Yeah, I'm amazed at the way the days just slip on by so fast, like 10,000 go-karts racing down the mountain of the past. If I had a beat on what I need to make the moment last, I just might try. I just might try. Yeah, I'm amazed at the way the days just keep on slipping by, and I got plans and dreams and hopeful schemes enough to make you cry. I'm just waiting for that single perfect point in time to give them all a try. And I'm a lazy guy. I'm a lazy guy. I'm amazed at the way some people try and try and try to erect and then perfect some kind of proof that they're alive before they die. Well, not me, 'cause I'm a lazy guy. 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 I'm a lazy
I kicked in his door at 5 a.m. I come for my bike, I told the repo man, my 920's gonna take me far today. You can travel for miles and never leave LA. I've come a long way, I've come a long way. I've gone 500 miles today. I've come a long way, I've come a long way, and never even left LA. Drive by the plaza where the gay boys you give him these keys. I don't need them no more. You tow it to the reaper man's front door, and you give